I'd like to show you some of the various attachments that we have for our Josam Frame Press frame straightening equipment. Typically these are all attached in some way, shape, or form onto our push-pull trolley. For example, if you wanted to attach a chain to the trolley to pull a frame, you simply attach the frame hook and the small pin. Wrap your chain around and you can anchor the frame to that. If you decide to push on the frame, you can grab the push plate, attach it to the trolley triangle, and continue on pushing onto the frame.